How to fix Netflix app not working on Samsung Smart TV. So once you are here on the main home screen, go ahead and tap on Settings at the bottom left. And from here, choose All Settings. Now, from here, go ahead and choose Support. From here, go and tap on Device Care. Now, from here, choose Manage Storage. Now, from here, once you find the Netflix application, go to View Details. And from here, all you would have to do is select the option of Clear Cache. Now, another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that let's go to the main home screen. From here, go to Apps. And then, under Downloaded Apps, search for Netflix. And just long press on it. Now at the bottom, you'll see the option of Reinstall. Select it. Now let's wait for some time until the app is being reinstalled. Now, after the app has been reinstalled, just long press on it again. From here, scroll down below and tap on View Details. Now over here, if you see the option of Update instead of Open, tap on it and make sure that the Netflix app is updated to its latest version on your Samsung Smart TV. Follow these easy steps in order to fix your issue. And that's it for today's video. At last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.